Hi friends, myself Sandy Sandas, and today I am going to make a tutorial video on Photoshop. And Photoshop tutorial, this is tutorial about to perform same task on each and every file, every image file in your folder. And that means suppose we have 100 pictures in a folder, and we want to apply in the same style, same task to all the 100 photos as we have done as for a single. And it is impossible to apply all those by opening each and every time manually. We just want to make it automatically and save our time. So all those tasks are performed by the batch command that is available in Photoshop. So how to perform that? Let's see. Let's start. Here you can see, and first of all we need the Photoshop software. You can install any version, 7.0 or CS any version. And after all, here I have a folder and I have kept all the photos, and that is I have 84 image file available. Sorry, 84 image file available. You can see here it is showing 84 image file available, and the total size is about 397, that is 400 MB total size. So every image file size is about 2 MB, near about 2 MB, or near about 4 MB per 4 MB, and all the photos pixels are 3672 into 4896 pixels. And I just want to make it degrade to 1920 by 1080 or somehow like that aspect ratio. Okay, so I have all those photos. Now we need to install and open the Photoshop. Here I have Photoshop CS6. You can see. Okay, and from there we'll go to automate and batch. But before that, we need to perform that batch task via the action panel. And by the actions, actually what action does, action actually records what you do for a single photos and applies to all the other photos via batch command. Okay, so we just need to open a single image file first, and we'll have to start and record the action for the specific image file, and later we can perform the batch we can execute the batch command through this action, and same task will be applied to all the other photos. So first of all, just open the image file first. Okay, now I am opening image file, and from open I am opening the second one. And now we'll have to start the recording a new action, and from the paper icon we have to click on that to create a new action. I am providing a name as per image resize tutorial. Okay, now Photoshop has started to record all the action which I am doing. Now we will have to perform the task which we want to apply for all the other photos. I just want to resize, so I am going to resize 1920 by 1440. Sorry, 1440. I am click on OK. Okay, you can see on the action under the image size tutorial, it has taken the image size action, and it has saved. And you can also perform the brightness adjustment, label, curves, exposure, etc. So you can also apply the filter, and same will be applied to the all other photos. I am just sorry, I just want to resize, so I am doing nothing, I am doing it save. Okay, and click OK to save it, and now close it. And you can see all the action has been saved under the action. image resize, image resize tutorial, that's the action name, image size. I have performed it first, then I have saved it, then I have closed, and now stop it, and all the action will be applied to all the other photos. Now we have to go and automate and batch command. Okay, now open the batch command from automate, and after opening, just select the one and only option, that is the available default option, and you can see here the image resize tutorial action has been appeared that just I have created before some times ago. You may also select the image resize tutorial or your tutorial name what you have just given. So I am selecting this one and select folder as a source option. So look at this folder, and this one is the my folder that contains all the images. Now now again select the destination as a folder and choose the same folder again. Actually selecting the same folder will save and replace the same one. Now click OK, and you can see it has been started. And you can see it is performing quite in speed, and it is applying automatically. And these photos actually these photos are the our Durga Puja festival photos. So I have just captured those today. Okay, end of the process. Okay, it is now ended. You can see. Okay, now we will close the Photoshop, and everything is done, and we'll check it in the folder. Now we will check it in the folder. It is Photoshop tutorial folder, and you can see 84 items is available, and we had the total size before was 397, near about 4, and it is now unbelievable, that is now 51.9 MB, and that is done in just 2 to 3 minutes. So that is very useful command in Photoshop, and we should use it. And you can see that every photos has become to 1920 into 1440 resolution, and every photo size is about in KB, but before it was in the MB size. Okay, so we have done everything. And also I want to say a thing that in the Photoshop about the starting action, that you should open the image first and then start action, because if you start action first, then error will come when you are executing the batch command later. So that's all, and enjoy the process, and just practice is yourself. Okay, however, if you have really liked my video, then please press the like button below, and do subscribe my channel and share my video to watch more videos or more tutorials like this in future. Thank you for watching my video. I was Sandeep Sendas with you, signing off.